Here's one great reason to use the quick access toolbar if you aren't already using it. Not only is it easy to access shortcuts that are on your quick access toolbar, but did you know putting them on there makes them easy to access via shortcut? For example, here I've got the filter option on there. So the filter option has a shortcut of Control-Shift-L, but on my quick access toolbar, there's an even easier shortcut I can use. So if I hit the Alt key, you'll notice that the filter icon has a number of 5 labeled to it because it's in the 5th position on my quick access toolbar. So I just have to hit Alt 5 to toggle the filter. Alt 5 turns it on, turns it off. So really easy now to access it via shortcut. I don't even have to click on it. So anything that you want to add to your quick access toolbar, you can just go to any one of the tabs that you want. Let's say I want to add the sort button. So right click, add to quick access toolbar, and now you can see it's in there. That is in the 6th, 7th, 8th position. So if I want to sort my data in ascending order, I can select one of my columns, Alt 8, and it's going to sort it. So a really easy way now to access those buttons without even having to press them.